in the studio we have the curator of Tairāwhiti, which is part of the Tairāwhiti Arts Festival, and we are so happy to have her in the studio. Melanie Tangaere Baldwin joins us now. Morena, Melanie.
Morena.
Ka pai. So we're a little bit excited because over the bridge there, we can see the setup for Tairāwhiti. Tell us about it.
I just walk around, but everybody else is working really, really hard. Angus Muir and his crew have come down from Tamaki, and they're just pumpers, they're just machines. They just like turn around and something's gone up.
Can you tell us about this year's artists? Because I haven't seen these, so I'm thinking they're brand new.
Yeah, so there's only myself and Irina Poku who are coming back, but otherwise everyone is their first time. So there's two from Toi Haukura, so Rihari Campbell Collier, there's the massive haki in the middle of the field that he's done. And
is that the Te Koti one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And Renee McDonald, she's at Toi at the moment. I wanted it to be very much about kotahitanga aroha and kind of broadening our understanding of how other people view the world and those kaupapa. So I just wanted to bring a whole bunch of people who work across very different fields to our town, and they're all really high level artists, so that we can take for granted that we have these main high level artists in our town from all over.
And the kids love it as well. I mean, we were talking about, Rahia's boy Te Mangia, just it's like their rainbow's end there, because it's right here in Tūranga.
One of the cool things is because you be an artist and you can't normally hide amongst your work and hear how people really feel about it. So I'm a creep. I like sit in the dark and listen to people's critique.
Feedback,
and our town is harsh. Like the people are like, oh wow, it says on here that says supposed to be that, but they don't look like that. And you're just like, hold your tongue. But so this lady came down from Auckland last year, like a really kind of high up curator, and she was like, it was one of the coolest public art experiences she had because our community take it really seriously, expect a really high standard, and everybody reads the kaupapa for each artist.
Now, the other thing we should talk about is that, I don't know, there are also some workshops at Tairāwhiti. Tell us more about that.
So Ngaruma Riley, who she's a cover. She makes karitau. That's one of her kind of specialties. And she's doing some paper karitau workshops where you can just kind of make paper puppets. 2 workshops on Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon. And Sione Monu is doing them at the same time. And he makes floral clouds. So floral clouds with Mardi Gras beads of rain. Yeah, they're really beautiful.
Oh, that is so cool. So for people that are wanting to see Tairāwhiti, when does it start and how long is it on for?
It starts on Friday night, so this Friday, and there's going to be a little concert, and it goes until Sunday the 13th, so for 10 days we are.
Cool. Who's going to be performing at the concert? It's a secret.
It's a secret.
Cool.